Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay contactless with Revolut. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up and using contactless payments with your Revolut card. First, ensure that your Revolut card supports contactless payments. You can check this by looking for the contactless symbol on the back of your card. If your card does not support contactless payments, you can order a new one through the Revolut app. To set up contactless payments, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Cards section. Select the card you want to use for contactless payments and toggle on the Contactless Payments option. You may be asked to verify your identity and set a PIN for added security. Once you have set up contactless payments, you can start using your Revolut card to make payments. To make a contactless payment, simply hold your card close to the contactless reader at the checkout. You will know the payment has been successful when you see a green light or hear a beep. For transactions under a certain amount, you will not need to enter your PIN. However, for larger transactions, you may be asked to enter your PIN to verify the payment. It is also important to note that some merchants may have different limits for contactless payments. So it is always a good idea to check with the merchant before making a payment. To add an extra layer of security to your contactless payments, make sure to keep your Revolut app and card information up to date. You can also set a spending limit for contactless payments in the Revolut app, which will help prevent any unauthorized transactions. In addition to the security features provided by Revolut, you can also take steps to protect your card information. Always keep your card in a safe place and never share your card details with anyone. If you lose your card or suspect that it has been stolen, report it to Revolut immediately. In conclusion, paying contactless with Revolut is a convenient and secure way to make payments. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up contactless payments and start using your Revolut card to make transactions. Remember to always keep your card and app information up to date and take steps to protect your card information to ensure a safe and secure payment experience.